about a morning workout just to see how I'm feeling. It's really good. Y'all, my stomach hurts so bad. I took that creatine and I think I drank it too fast. I'm about to take this shot, hopefully. The food bank. Alright, now guys. First we got some paper towels. We got some onion bagels. Some nannies. We got this apple juice. We got a 4-cheese lasagna little pasta. A cheeseburger pasta. Oh yes, I've been needing some more pasta sauce. See, when you cook for real, this stuff be coming in clutch. Like, who about to go to the store? Who? Chili with the beans. You know what I mean. Love me some white chicken in a can for chicken salad. See, you don't knock this stuff. You don't knock this. Alright, well, we got some meat. Give it to me straight, boo. I love it. We got some chicken thighs, my favorite. And we got some hot dogs. Yeah, baby. Yeah. We got more carrots. Cucumbers. Oh, this salad about to be busting. Y'all got to make a grilled chicken kale salad. And we got some potatoes. Alright, let's go through poo box.
What you get?
I'm about to go take my stuff off. It's your turn.
Okay, shorty got carrots. Got some more carrots. That's lit.
Tell me how to eat this because I don't trust it. It looked like Beetlejuice to me.
Let me see.
This bread looks like Beetlejuice.
I honestly... Wait, they making sandwiches with chocolate like swirl bread?
This is not a joke. I'm about to slap you. So funny.
That's crazy.
You was genuinely scratching your head like they making sandwiches with chocolate bread. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it smells good.
Let me smell it.
Jasmine said put some butter on it. Do it taste like bread or chocolate?
Bread.
It would have been fire if it was chocolate bread.
I don't like that bread. I don't like that.
What if I'm allergic to raw bread? I don't know, y'all. I don't know why. It's like every time I feel like I'm going hard with eating, I'm going good, I'm doing good, I'm meeting my goal. It's like I hit that crash. And I'm trying to be honest through my whole journey, If I don't have the eating portion of my weight gain journey down pat, how am I gonna have the workout portion down pat? You know what I mean? So I'm not rushing into trying to work out, especially not knowing what actually fuels my body and what actually makes me sluggish, and you know what I mean, like gut health, all of that. Like I wanna, like, it's not an excuse, but I'm not trying to work off what I'm gaining, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Because I feel like that's what's been happening. Every time I do gain weight, every time I do eat, when I go to work out, why am I losing weight? I'm losing the weight. So, I don't know, y'all. Shut up. I'm about to go get me something to eat, y'all. Because after that little great adventure, Do I feel like cooking? Do I feel like making me anything to eat? Do you know that answer? Solid. No. I still got a little bit of time on my lunch, so I'm about to go use it wisely. That's a good walk, but I don't like this park. I don't, sorry if the lighting off, y'all, but I don't like this park because, did she walk here? You ate that up if you walked here, girl. You walked longer than me. But, it's too many bodies. Trying to figure out when I'm gonna go to get something to eat. I'm probably just about to go to get me some wings. Them Hunts Brothers wings. And the body armor gonna do it every time. They're saying that it's supposed to be a bad winter storm coming on Saturday. So let's see how that goes. Hello, I'm right here. Get out the bag, man. What up, G? Come on. Let her know. Yeah, I look crazy. I took my hair out and whoo, girl. Let me catch my breath. Y'all, there's no shame in my game. Y'all have to get to know the real me, and the real me would pull that wig off, okay? You're with me, okay? Stay with me, okay? That's crazy. I really was not recording the whole time. Anyway, happy Friday, you guys. It is January 23rd. It's currently 7:05. I just got back from Walmart because they claim North Carolina is supposed to be having a winter storm and we're going to be snowed in and all of them things and stuff. But my thing is, I don't believe it's true, but I wasn't going to be caught lacking either. So let me show y'all the stuff that I got. Give y'all a quick haul. So Pooh got these cheese puffs right here. This right here was 75 cents. So I just picked this up. I'm going to try this today. And then I got these breakfast protein bars, the peanut butter kind. And then I'm back on my apples and yogurt and granola bowl. So I picked up some of my favorite. This is the only kind, only flavor, only brand that I will ever use for my yogurt bowls. You see that? Honey vanilla. It smacks. So delicious. You taste the honey and the vanilla. And then we got some vanilla almond milk. I'm an oyster girl. I realize I'm not really much of a sardine fan anymore. I'm an oyster and Vienna sausage girl. Through and through. Mayonnaise. Pooh wanted these Hot Pockets for in the morning. And I grabbed myself some little Honey Graham Crunch cereal. And baby, yes ma'am, I'm an off-brand girl through and through. Because this is my money. Play with who? Not me. I got me a couple of Lunchables. Some juice. Pooh wanted all these noodles, girl. Y'all know she is a noodle girl through and through. And then I just grabbed some caramel for my yogurt bowls. But that is basically everything we got. We got meats. Y'all seen in the last vlog we went shopping. We still got a bunch of meat in here, so am I tripping on meat? No ma'am. No ma'am. So I was just picking up snacks because we don't have no snacks nor no juice. So I'm about to put this stuff away and then get my, what time is it? 7:09. I gotta clock in at 7:55. So I am going to go and do all that, and I'll come back and check in and tell you how that protein drink tastes. All right, bye. I'm about to try this. I can't open it. I can't love you in the dark. hollering in this neighborhood. What's wrong with her? This is a mango pineapple. Ooh, is this gonna be good? It got B2, B6, and B12. B12 is good. Let's see. My face. My face. It's not good, but it's not nasty. I'm gonna give you the real taste. Real taste is sour dryness. Thinking like you just bit a piece of chalk that was sour, and when you just kept chewing it, it was getting drier and drier. Like you ever put cornstarch in your mouth and you chew it? Like it's giving that, like mixed with milk, you know? It's something about it. It's not nasty, but maybe it needs to be a little cold. A successful 4 o'clock in the morning.
7-Eleven road trip.
Yeah, 7-Eleven run. Now we're about to go to the bank because we're getting ready for the snowstorm. Here in North Carolina, and they saying that the power gonna be out and these stores power gonna be out, so it's better if you go get some money on. So we're gonna go.
Yes.
Get some money on.
Yes.
Look at this little skimpy tree right here. It look like this.
Look what I got, y'all.
What's that? Dookie? Ew, babe. Chocolate cake. That's the Matilda cake.
Chocolate cake, y'all. With cream, chocolate icing.
Look what we got, y'all. This is what we was waiting on. I got me a strawberry lemonade slushie. Some Mr. Beast teriyaki mini sticks. And I got me birthday cake edible cookie that we both eating this. Yes, we are.
That's okay.
And then, ooh, she did her big one on the wings.
She did her big one on the wings.
So we better go home and eat some wings 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my weight gain journey. So the earlier I eat, the better. My wings. And yours look better. I don't like it. I'm sad. I got buffalo. She got sweet chili. We good, guys. We're going up that hill to save our marriage.
Go, 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 go.
Somebody tell me the answers. You isn't the answer. You isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be? I knew how you felt about me. Only think about you and me. Hard to beat that can't see this gone. And I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been and we tried to pretend every time.
That's gonna be my problem now. That's gonna be my problem now. Leaving the gym with the headphones, still playing the music. Y'all, it's cold. I'm trying to get my y'all, your girl don't got no heat, and I still showed up at the gym. I don't got now bit of heat in my car, y'all. It's probably like 17 degrees outside. And I got my membership yesterday, y'all. But I was like, you know what? I'ma just wait. I don't think I need to do it. I'ma just wait. Y'all, why yesterday, as soon as I checked my bank account and I go to sign up for Planet Fitness again, it was $16. I got it! And I had to show up. If I did not show up today, it was gonna set the tone for the rest of my Fear to Fitness. Like, I'm showing up. My heat went out like maybe last month. That's why I really have not been going anywhere. When it's sunny outside, you'll see me go to the park. But like, when it's dark like this, it's really cold. But yeah, y'all, I'm on the way home now. I had a good little workout. I left at 5. I won't be. It was getting so packed. Like, today I ain't gonna lie, I did 3 workouts. And that's because, for one, I had to get a feel for the location of the gym, because I had not been to that location. So I'm not true to Planet Fitness. I'm new to it. So, I mean, y'all got rules and regulations. Put me on in the chat. Put me on in the chat. See, this is one thing. I ain't never too fond of learning, so put me on what I need to know. So I did my little 3 workouts and I got on out the way. But don't worry, y'all, I ain't intimidated. I'm just letting y'all know how the first day went. You feel me? I had to scope the scene out a little bit. But I'm proud of myself. I'm about to go home, maybe some greens and creatine. And I'm gonna sip on that. And I'm gonna edit. And call it a day. Happy Friday, y'all. I'm so mad at myself. I did not record. I didn't record though because the feelings that I was getting was like, don't record. So I'm gonna have to find my little own nook in here. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to find my own little nook to record because I don't know. This is my gym fit. Well, this is what I wore in the gym. But I had on these tights and a big t-shirt. Yes, ma'am. But yeah, y'all, it is 5:28. I'm about to go get in the shower because your girl was sweating very bad. And once I get out, I'm gonna make me some breakfast because I'm hungry. up, y'all? It is your girl, Shadae Renee. Happy January 31st, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was the last of January. I feel like we ended off really solid by not letting the fear overtake us. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Y'all will see everything. We went to Ollie's to prepare for the part 2 of the winter storm. So we don't have no storm right now. I'm currently in the bed editing. Got the blackout curtains. Let's look outside together. Nothing. So I'm about to end this video and give y'all something to watch, period. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to comment down below, girl. I like to chit-chat and dilly-dally in the comments. But I hope y'all enjoy, and I will see y'all in the next video.